So everyone talks about finding a niche can grow a business. Is knowing my interest and demographic enough to find a niche? Is it that easy? In this video, we will discuss how do you find a niche. Hi, my name is Nirja Samant and I am a manifestation coach and digital growth wizard. Today, I will share 5-step process to find a niche that buys. So, get your pen and paper ready and follow along. So, first step is reflect on your passion and your interest. As a coach, which life segment you are particularly passionate about or good at? Take some time to reflect on those areas of interest as a potential niche market ideas. Ask yourself, what skills come naturally to me? How do I enjoy spending my free time? Do my friends, family and colleagues ask for my advice on any specific topic? How do I approach problem solving? What topic do I enjoy learning about? Write down your answers to these questions and maintain a list of ideas to consider for your business's niche market. Second, identify customer's problem and need. Now that you are clear on life segment or a particular technique you think can solve people's problem, then see which target, see in your target market, can this become product or service that meet your target market's need? What's their motive to buy? Research on your potential customers to determine their buying behavior and challenges they face. There are a variety of tools you can use to explore your customer's persona. This will give you a better idea how your business can provide value to your niche market. Third, research the competition. Before devoting your time and energy to developing a brand new business, you want to research your competition or a potential competitor. You might have a viable product idea or business idea, but how many other businesses will you be competing with? How strong are they? There are few websites that will help you to help you identify with your competitor and do research on them. Few of like Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner, ClickBank, Udemy and so on. Use these tools to explore the best-selling product consumers are researching and if your new business can meet this need. Fourth, define your niche and its profitability. If you are dedicating your resources and time to a new business, it should be able to generate profit. You have to consider a few factors when finalizing a niche you will be catering to. Your idea could be profitable if you research the market and discover similar product but not many companies selling them. Take a look at price. Take a look at price point of your competitor's product so you can price your own product competitively. Fifth, test your product or service. Testing your product is important. Create a simple website or landing page for your business so that customer can find you. Offer a free webinar or consultation call. If you're a tarot card reader or something on that line, like astrologer, like give them three complimentary, complimentary 3-question reading to your target customers. This initial test period should not really cost much money, but you can create, certainly use paid ads to drive traffic to you, so that people get aware about you and they can, go through your services or product. And in this initial stage, if your idea doesn't work, don't scrap it. Go back to your computer, or if you have done it on a paper, see where exactly your product needs to be need improvement. And once you improve and launch it again and see how people's response is, you really need to try and test before final launch of your product. If you find this video is helpful, please follow my channel, and I will catch up with you in next video.